How to delete or remove your search history on YouTube, mobile on both iOS or Android. If you've searched for something on YouTube and you want to delete it from your search history, or you want to completely delete all of your search history with one click of a button, then follow my steps. The first thing that we will do is to open our YouTube mobile application, and if I tap on the little magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen, we're going to see my recent searches. You can see that I searched for how to change age on TikTok, Logan Paul, and digital guide. Let's remove these searches from the search history. We are going to go back and then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, we have to click on this little gear icon in order to open our YouTube app settings. We'll see this menu pop up with a bunch of different options, and what we need to select is this Your Data in YouTube option. That's going to open another menu where we can see our watch history, our search history, and many more things. If we want to delete our searches, we will simply go over to this section that's called YouTube Search History and find the button called Manage Your YouTube Search History. And that's going to open all of our searches that we've made with this YouTube account. You can clear specific searches by tapping on the little X button next to it, and that will remove it from our search history. But if you want to remove all the searches from today or from a specific time range, then you can click on this Delete button and select if you want to remove the searches from today, from a specific time range, or from all time. So you can make your selection and then delete the searches from your YouTube search history. And after this step, if we go back and tap on the little magnifying glass icon to go over to our search bar, you can see that we've successfully removed all of the different searches from the YouTube search history on our iPhone or Android devices. If you want more similar YouTube video tutorials, then make sure to check out the playlist from the video description, and I will see you in the next video.